Guys, say something interesting.
Robot.
Building a robot. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's not going well.
What are you talking about? It's going fabulous.
Now I gotta get an establishing shot in. So
Can you blur my face out?
no, I'm not gonna put enough effort in this documentary to do that. So
I am giving this 1 star.
okay, what are your guys' names? You.
No.
You.
Redacted.
You.
Confidential.
You.
What?
You.
Cat.
Top secret.
Coach?
Cool. My man is sitting here in the corner.
What?
Exactly.
Okay, assumingly we have those on. Oh, these,
No, we don't.
These are already made.
Do we need to make more
So
of
this
those?
is
Do
a
not
problem.
put them on.
Do we need to make
Do
more
not
of
put
those?
them on.
No.
Take it out.
Daphne,
Yes. Yes?
Take it out.
we can't
Take what
do
out?
this
You
without
take
the
it
rest of the robot.
Well,
God.
I want you to get all the parts
Name?
though, so that you can start doing this when we get closer to it. You can.
Why are we doing? Justin, why are you doing?
So we can make a documentary after all this.
No.
The PCM first robotics.
It's terrible. It's not gonna be a good.
Everything was out of focus.
You're gonna have to redact literally everyone.
Yeah, so it's just gonna be a black screen with the audio.
It's redacted.